Good afternoon everyone. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of the golden ratio and Fibonacci sequence. These two concepts may seem like just a bunch of numbers, but they actually have a profound impact on the world around us. From the stunning patterns in nature to the beautiful designs in art and architecture, the golden ratio and Fibonacci sequence are everywhere. And not only are they aesthetically pleasing, but they also have practical applications that can improve our health, wealth, and overall well-being. The golden ratio, also known as the divine proportion, is a mathematical concept that has been observed in nature, art, and architecture for centuries. It is represented by the number 1.618 and is found by dividing a line into two parts so that the longer part divided by the smaller part is equal to the whole length divided by the longer part. The golden ratio can be seen in everything from the spiral pattern of seashells to the proportions of the human body. It is often used in art and design to create aesthetically pleasing compositions. In architecture, it has been used to create buildings that are both functional and beautiful. The Parthenon in Greece and the Notre Dame Cathedral in France are just two examples of structures that incorporate the golden ratio. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. The sequence starts with 0 and 1, and continues on infinitely. This sequence was first discovered by Leonardo Fibonacci, an Italian mathematician, in the 13th century. The Fibonacci sequence is closely related to the golden ratio, which is a mathematical ratio that is found throughout nature, art, and architecture. In fact, if you take any two adjacent numbers in the Fibonacci sequence and divide the larger number by the smaller number, the result will approach the golden ratio. This ratio can be seen in the spiral patterns of seashells, the branching patterns of trees, and even in the proportions of the human body. Incorporating the principles of the golden ratio and Fibonacci sequence into your health and wellness routine can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. Scientific research has shown that these principles can help improve digestion, boost metabolism, and increase energy levels. By incorporating the golden ratio and Fibonacci sequence into your diet, you can ensure that you are eating a balanced and nutritious diet that is rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Similarly, incorporating these principles into your exercise routine can help you achieve optimal physical fitness and reduce the risk of injury. Incorporating the principles of the golden ratio and Fibonacci sequence into your financial strategy can lead to great success. These mathematical concepts have been used by some of the most successful investors and business leaders in the world. By applying the golden ratio to your investments, you can achieve a balance between risk and reward that maximizes your returns. And by using the Fibonacci sequence to guide your business practices, you can create a sustainable growth strategy that builds on itself over time. In conclusion, we have learned about the fascinating world of the golden ratio and Fibonacci sequence. We have explored how these principles are present in nature, art, architecture, health, and wealth. By understanding and applying these concepts, we can enhance our lives in countless ways. The golden ratio and Fibonacci sequence offer a framework for balance, harmony, and growth. They remind us of the interconnectedness of all things and the beauty that exists in the world around us. Let us embrace these principles and use them to create a better future for ourselves and for generations to come. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.